Hi, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and we had a very special person come on board with us recently, client ID 7847, and this particular gentleman had a default on his credit report and just too many things were going on. So his father was diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and then he was diagnosed with a disease himself, suffering from very severe mental health issues at the time and just needing to move on with his life with his new partner and be able to get finance. Now we're seeing a lot of people being defaulted in 2024. It seems to be a kind of echo of COVID, so almost as if we were so supported with handouts by government in 2021, 2022, and then sort of come through that. But on the other side, cost of living crisis, then a lot of people, obviously people get sick. It's a thing in life. It happens. Nothing we can do about it. And a lot of those people as well coming out of COVID didn't then have the support from government, and the ATOs coming down really hard on people, defaulting, all the rest of it. Small business are having to let people go, so Nate struggled with lots of unemployment as well, and hence a default on his credit report. So we went in to back for him. He had a default listed October 2024. It's a long time to wait for that to stop impacting you, so he would have had to wait till October 2029. Defaults are listed for 5 years, so well worth the investment to come on board and see if we could remove that default. And we did remove it for him, which is fantastic. And his score went from 163 to 712. So it's a great success story. He's now got a good, fair, reasonable credit score, no default, and he's now got 5 years in front of him where he can look at getting into the better lending options. Whereas before he came on board with us, he really had no options. Anyway, that's it for today. It's a great case study, bit of a sad story, but we're here to listen and we're here to help. So if you need a kind ear to lean on, please give us a call. All of our scenarios team, we're good listeners and we love to help. We love to do what we do. Almost 8,000 cases to date. And again, nothing to pay us unless we're successful. So I hope I get to speak to you. If you do need help, hopefully you don't and you've got a fantastic credit score and you're just here for educational purposes. And thanks for listening.